Mine
Tessa.
not getting cold. Mine getting hot.
Take another bite, Tess. No, put your spoon in the bowl. Put your spoon in the bowl. Oh, now she doesn't want to play. No, you can do it. Put your spoon in here. Good job, Tess. She's learning to feed herself.